My uncle's parrot, Captain Flint, just convinced him the moon landing was faked by pigeons. Uncle Barry used to just mutter about chemtrails. Then he got a parrot. Now, Captain Flint is apparently an inside source on everything. The government replaced all the squirrels with tiny surveillance drones. Barry declared last Sunday Flint saw the schematics. His evidence? The parrot squawked, "Cover up! Cover up!" when he showed it a picture of a squirrel. I tried to explain, but Flint just stared me down and muttered something about deep state budgies. I'm starting to think the parrot's the smart one. What's the wildest conspiracy theory a family member has ever tried to convince you of?